Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix by Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be an unboxing video on the Samsung Jetbot Mop right here. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Be sure and go check that out. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Now let's get to the unboxing video. Let's check it out. This is the model number VR6000TM mopping robot. Everything in there. Very well packaged. Gets a little bit better look at everything that was in the box for the Samsung Jetbot Mop VR6000TM mopping robot. Alright, so the Samsung Jetbot is running $299 on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Alright, so hopefully this unboxing video is really helpful. Thanks for joining me today. Also, leave a comment if you happen to have one of these. Let me know what you think of it. I will be doing a review on this item, so stay tuned for that. Also, be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.